So before I get into this video, I just learned that about 85% of you guys that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you really like this video and you like my channel and you like the idea of a car point of view video driving channel or whatever, then please hit that subscribe button and like the video. It really helps me out. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So I got me an Amigo mobility scooter. Yes, no, I did not buy one. It's got crap in it. Yeah, weight capacity, 500 pounds or 220 kilograms. The basket itself can only hold 125. This is not the XL basket, as you can see. This is filled in here. It's got instructions in Spanish, in-store use only, and as you can see, it'll beep if I take it too far. And then it's the on-off switch. Let's turn it on. Indoor use only. Stay at least 3 feet away from people. All right. 100% battery, 12 hours of battery. It's a pretty crappy horn. All right, so yeah, let's start it. This right goes forward, left goes backwards, and as you can see, it beeps when it goes backwards. Yeah. Take this around the parking lot. I really do look like a freak with this camera on, driving this mobility scooter, but who cares? It's actually pretty fun to just kind of chill in here and drive them. They're really slow. Some of them are a bit faster. This one is kind of, seems old because it's really shaking whenever I go over anything. And it's kind of shaking just in general. Let's not take it on the sidewalk part. I think that person's in their car, so I probably look like a freak right now. This thing does not run well, I gotta say. I'm not even really going over anything crazy, and it's still bumping and crap, so. Oh man, I'm gonna have to check out the turning radius on this. I feel like a trucker or something. My hand's like this, not really. Look at how fast it stops. I'm gonna stop right here. Boom. It's pretty fast. I don't know if it stops. I guess you could use that kind of as a brake. I'm gonna take it around here so you can see how fast, or not how fast, but how well this thing corners. I'm gonna try not to take it too far away just because I don't want it to start beeping. It does really look like I'm stealing it by doing this, but I will stop here and keep going. Look at how well this thing turns. You can really... There's probably some sort of mechanism in there that is pretty worn because it's making weird noises when it's like creaking. So there's probably some bearings or something in there that are bad. This guy looks like he's about to come through here. Yes, I was right. There you go. I'm gonna try to go a little further away. I don't want to really record too many people just because privacy on all those. I don't know why I said that like a Brit. Privacy. Anyway, I'm gonna keep driving. They're pretty fun. I wouldn't really use one of these like ever outside of this. I mean, sometimes I'll hop on them and just reverse a little bit and act like I'm backing into a docking bay or whatever when I'm backing into an aisle. Sometimes we'll drive them around the store if they're just there, but most of the time, you know, gotta get some steps in and whatnot. I don't actually need it. I feel kind of guilty taking it from people that might need it. And we'll take it through here. You can really hold this like a steering wheel, you know. Pretty quiet. The basket and stuff does shake. This creaks when you turn it. They're all fairly different though. What one does, another might not do. Pretty chill though. Nothing really too bad about these. I'm gonna try not to look like too much of a freak. Wow, the battery's really going down. I don't know why. I guess I just used like 3 hours or something, 5 hours. I don't know what it, like, jumped like that. And then it jumped back down. Let's see if I can back it in. No mirrors. Gotta look behind me. Obviously no mirrors. Kind of stupid to say. No! These baskets are pretty... Alright. I'm not really sure how long that was, but... Just take it around. Look at how well this thing turns, though. Like, you wouldn't really expect something like this. I mean, you would expect it to have a good turning radius, but I don't know. Feels pretty nice. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Really bust a move in these. Alright. At least throw it in the cart bay. This is not going to be a long video, as you guys can see, but... How am I going to get out? So yeah, that was it. This is the Amigo mobility scooter. Pretty fun. I can't lie, they're not too bad to operate. Obviously, only use if you need to. But yeah, that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I just got monetized, so it really helps. If you want to become a member, become a member. If not, don't have to. So yeah, that's it. See ya.